everybody, it's Karen Bentley here with the Sugar-Free Advantage channel, your resource for healthy, sugar-free, binge-free weight loss, healthy, sugar-free, binge-free living. And today we're going to be making one of my most favorite desserts in the whole world. It's called Lemon Cloud. This is what it looks like. Isn't it pretty? It is, of course, a sugar-free dessert. It is, of course, got lots of fat in it to satisfy and fill you up. And this is a crowd pleaser dessert. There is nobody who doesn't love my lemon cloud dessert. Everybody likes it. If I'm invited to a party or if I'm invited to a dinner and I have a cooking assignment, I always offer to make my lemon cloud dessert because it's so easy for me to make and it's so enjoyable. So there's only 4 ingredients. The first ingredient is a packet of cream cheese, or in this case, I used the low-fat Neufchâtel cheese, but you can use the high-fat cheese as well. I've used both. Frankly, I can't tell the difference. It tastes pretty much the same to me. And then what we have is a full cup of whipping cream that's been whipped up. And then what you can add is between a half a cup and a cup of a non-caloric sweetening agent. So I like Splenda. I think it's healthy and I like the taste and it's convenient and it's affordable. So I like it for all those reasons. If you don't like it, substitute your non-caloric sweetening agent of choice. Just make sure it measures like sugar, or you know how to convert the measurements to sugar, and you can use up to a cup. I only use a half a cup because my taste for sweetness has really declined over the years. So I only need a half, but a lot of people like it with the full cup. And then the other thing we need is the juice and the zest from 2 lemons. So I've already zested them, as you can see from the top, and I've juiced them, and there's plenty of juice in here. So what we need is between 2 and 3 tablespoons of juice and the zest to decorate the top of the dessert. So what you do is you just whip up the cream, and you know it's pretty easy. Just whip up the cream, and once that's done, you fold it into the cream cheese mixture that has already got the Splenda and inside it, and the lemon juice. So you've got the lemon juice and the Splenda and the cream cheese, and you whip them together with your little hand machine, and then you add the whipping cream and you fold it all together. And if you can see, this is what it looks like. It already is looking like a cloud, isn't it? It already looks pretty good. And once it's just all blended, you don't want to overmix it. You just whip it into your serving place. You can make 4 rather large ones of about a half a cup each, or 6 smaller ones of about a third of a cup each. So I've got mine here. This is what 1 serving looks like. Just like that already. It looks like a cloud. It's nice and fluffy. And then I just add some of this lemon zest that I've already got zested up. I'm just going to sprinkle some on top. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. If it was summertime, I would go out to my garden and pick some mint and put a sprig of fresh mint in each one, but it's not, so all we get is the zest. That's what it looks like with the zest. It's so beautiful. You can add other fruits as well. You could put blueberries, you could put strawberries, you could put raspberries, you could put a mixture, whatever you like. I kind of like it just the lemon flavor, but I've made it lots of different ways and it's always a hit. So be creative, do what you want. This is the world's most simplest recipe. Just the whipped cream, the cream cheese, the sweetening agent, and lemons. That's all there is to it. You don't have to cook. All you have to do is get out a mixing machine and do like 4 simple steps, and you're done with it. Your friends will love it, your family will love it, and you will love it. So try it, Lemon Cloud. Hey, if you like this recipe, smash that like button. And if you'd like to hear more, please hit the subscribe button. We'd love to have you in the Sugar-Free Advantage family. Bye for now.